Welcome to another great day for optimal health. I'd like to talk to you a bit about joint health. Every day, over 100 million Americans struggle with inflammation leading to chronic aches and pains and sore joints. There's a good chance you're one of them. Even the simplest of daily tasks becomes a challenge, not to mention physical activity being excruciating, if not impossible at times. This is a tough way to live, but many of us have to go through it. Americans spend over $300 billion a year annually on healthcare, hoping for pain relief. There are prescriptions, injections, and other things that can mask the problems and at times is needed, right, to get rid of the pain. But many times they're taken way too long, and people think they're actually healing from them when they're not. Even over-the-counter drugs like NSAIDs, your ibuprofens and that, they get abused very much. But if you look at the warning labels, they'll show you that it's actually, you're able to actually heal faster by not taking them than if you did. That's amazing. So America's desperation to get pain relief has created a huge problem. Not only a drug abuse problem, but also a problem of helping people heal and get their joints to a point where they can live without pain. So the two most life-changing pain relief formulas that we have ever created, we put together in something called a joint pack. It combines the inflammation, pain-relieving ingredients found in Optimal Acute and also Optimal Chronic that has the ingredients for the joint health, to actually repair them, to lay the matrix. Both those supplements are combined together in easy-to-use packs that you can put in your pocket and carry around. We originally made it for athletes and found that we all could benefit from having that ease to be able to reach in our pocket to get that joint pack for the anti-inflammatory effects, but also the chondroitin and the glucosamine from the chronic that lays that matrix down to actually help rebuild joints and to get us to where we're heading toward a better day of disc regeneration and of joint and tissue regeneration. The key factor here is that you have the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory we've ever seen or created, and you have the chronic formula to help rebuild, put together to make it easy for you while you're on the run, at work, at practice, wherever it might be, to be able to get the most benefit for your joints. Check out the Optimal Joint Pack today.